courthouse. And I was like, no. Good morning, gorgeous. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so welcome to a pack my bag with me for jury duty. All right, so listen, girl. I am not in the mood to go, but we're just gonna go ahead and go with the flow and do what we need to do. So I have my bag. So this is my bag right here that I'm going to take with me. I did purchase this bag from, I think, Marshall's or Bell's, one or the other. I'm not exactly sure. I was looking for my small bag, but I couldn't find it. I may have thrown it away, not sure. All right, so for this morning, I really did not have an appetite. So what I did was I had half of my strong Atkins, Strong cafe latte. So I had that. I plug all of that information into my Lose It app because I am tracking my calories right now. So I froze this up earlier this morning, so it's a bit cold. So I'm going to take this for lunch. So either this or this is going to be my breakfast or my lunch. So it depends. So this right here is a pure protein bar. So this one is 200 calories with 20 grams of protein. This is the chocolate peanut butter. This one is very tasty, especially if you love chocolate and peanut butter mixed together. Put that in the bag. Then I have some Ritz crackers, okay? So I know this doesn't look like a hearty lunch or semi-breakfast, but again, I am not hungry. For those who may have been wondering, like, so why are you not hungry? What's going on? I'm not hungry because I ate 1,800 calories worth of food and I burned 1,500 calories yesterday with my workout. Being that I did work from home yesterday, I still was able to burn some calories and, you know, get on my walking pad, do everything that I need to do so your girl can stay fit. So, yeah, I am not as hungry as I would have been if I had ate under 1,600 calories, let's just say that. So I don't have an appetite this morning. So like I said, I just had that coffee and I put some collagen in it and I had about this much grams of protein. So this should hold me over until I am ready to have a snack. If I am still not up to eating, I will just eat a few of these crackers and log them in and then that's it. I don't think I can take outside food inside the actual, the courthouse. I'm not sure because you do have to go through that security monitor thing and I don't want to have to be like, oh, well, we can't let you go in because you brought outside food and then either I have to throw it away or take it back to the car and I don't feel like doing that. So what I'm going to do is leave these items in the car and when it's time for lunch break, I can just go to the car and just do what I need to do and then get back in. But if I have to sneak away for a little bit just to have a snack and just to get up, move my body some because my body is sore, I would just go to the car, have a little snack, and then come back to the courtroom and just sit in the waiting area. My plan, hopefully, is that I don't be there all day. You know what's crazy is that my juror number is 250 something and I was like, oh my gosh, anytime you are below the 500, more than likely you do have to go in, and anybody that who has the number of 501 and up, you don't have to. So what happened with me is that I called last night just to verify if I need to show up. I already knew I need to show up and that's exactly what they said. 500 and less, you need to show up. Everybody else that's 501 and up don't have to report to the courthouse. And I was like, no! Mad. I really was. I was so mad. Let's see. I was thinking about having some sourdough toast, but honestly my stomach is so tight right now, I'm not even going to force it. And when you are on the GLP-1 medications, like, you really have to focus on those hunger cues. Like, I know a lot of times we want to eat something when we're not hungry, but when your stomach is tight and full, baby girl, you can't have no food because you're gonna have an upset stomach and be bloated and miserable. So that's something that I don't want to happen. So I'm just gonna take my little 3 items with me, log them in, and then hey, hopefully they'll let me out early. I can come home, fix a good hearty meal, and I'm good to go, you know. So that's my plan. I won't be there all day. That's what we're gonna do. But if I'm not there all day, catch me on my shorts later and I'll let you know, did I leave early or did I not leave early? I don't know. But anywho, let me go ahead and go because I'm pressed for time and I need to get out of here. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Pack my bag with me to jury duty.